seem like the type to love me and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you and hold you. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Andrenika dengan NIM 3086139, Prodi Pendidikan Olahraga. Di sini saya akan mengambil topik yaitu tentang Ramadan. Baik, langsung saja. Ramadan, a month of fasting and spirituality. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Islamic calendar and a holy time for Muslims worldwide. During this month, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. The practice wholesome teaches self-discipline, empathy, and strengthens fight. Family and community come together for suhoor, freedom meal, and after evening meal to break fast. Beyond fasting, Ramadan is time for spiritual growth. Muslims engage in extra prayers such as Tarawih and spend more time reading the Quran. It's also a time for charity and active of fitness, as Muslims seek to purify their hearts and help those in need. Ramadan ends with Eid al-Fitr, a joyful celebration marking the end of fasting. Muslims gather for prayers, share meals, and exchange gift. This month is a time for reflection, gratitude, and strengthening bonds with both God and the community. Baik, sekian penyampaian materi dari saya tentang Ramadan. Saya sudah dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.